Hello guys, once again you're welcome to this wonderful tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to design this amazing forex trading signal script. Okay, this script is amazing. You can use it for a lot of things. Selling of signal, people can also trade on the platform. Okay, this is how the homepage looks like. We have three built-in homepage you can choose from. Okay, three built design. You can see different plan. You can add as much as you want. Okay, you can see the started trading with trademarks. Okay, so you can see everything you need to trade fast. Okay, you can see the chart. You can see how the chart looks like. You can see how the chart looks like. You can start trading. Okay, this is just the home page. You can choose from the inbuilt three. Okay, so this is the backend. This is how the backend looks like. This is the dashboard of the backend. Okay, you can see the payment methods. We have a lot of payment methods. You can see different payment methods. You can see even offline payment methods. You can see the signal options, the market, currency, trade, time frame, and signal. Okay, then you can see the manage settings. That is the main setting of the home page. You can see how it is. Okay, you can see this is the setting of the home page. You can also see APIs. Okay, where you can put your APIs. You can see a KYC. You can see other settings here. Even your Chrome job, you can also add your Chrome jobs. Okay, so this is the user end. You can withdraw, you can deposit. You can see signal that is available. This is a signal that is available right now. You can buy once you choose a plan, depending on the plan that the signal is. Okay, you can see the chart. You can even trade. You can see I traded $10. I traded what? I traded $10, and this is what I got. Okay, I just traded. You can see this is the whole thing here. Okay, so okay, you can see the plans. You can see the plan. You can choose from the plan. Okay, you can see your depositing options. You can see your profile. Okay, so guys, if you want to know how to design this wonderful website, if you want to know how to design it, follow me to the back end. Thank you. First of all, before you start designing your website, you need to get a hosting. Okay, you need to buy your domain name and your hosting. I recommend Hostinger. Is a strong hosting company. Okay, and you can also buy your domain from Hostinger. So this is the home page of Hostinger. As you can see, they have different plan. They have premium, business, and cloud startup, and which the first one go for $299, the second one $399, and the third one $799. Okay, so with this you can see there are different capabilities, there are different sizes. Okay, you can see the storage that it can hold. You can see there are different, the kind of how many websites you can host on one of the hosting plans. Okay, as you can see, they differ. Okay, this one is smaller, and this one followed by this one, which is 100. So let's say we are choosing this plan, which is the most popular. Okay, so for the most popular, if you choose 48 months, they will give you plus 3 months extra only for the 48 months. So if you have that money and you can afford the 48 months, I advise you to go for this 48 months. Okay, which would be nice, because this one plan will be very, very expensive. This is what you'll be paying every month, which is very, very expensive. Okay, and the total, this is what you'll be paying, the total. everything you'll be paying. So I advise you to go for 48 months. Okay, so for the 48 months, this is what you'll be saving and this is what you'll be paying as a total. You'll be paying $191.52, okay, which will be good. So once you've chosen how many months you want, so you can just go to next. You can just continue, sorry, you can continue. And once you continue, so you can just input your details. Okay, just input your details, the name and any other thing, any other process, your country and the rest. Then you continue to pay payment here, and that is all. And the nice thing is, you get, if you don't like the hosting plan that you purchased for, you can also get your money back. It's guaranteed. Okay, so let's go to our cPanel. Now this cPanel is not hosting. This is just for a practice purpose that I use this panel. Okay, so first thing first, you go to your file manager. Once you come to your file manager, you go to where you want to host your site. If it's in a subdomain or your main domain, what you need to do, you just come inside the subdomain or the main domain. You go to upload, for those that don't know how to upload, and you click on select. Once you click on select, you go to your system, select what you want in any part of your system. Once you select it, it starts uploading. Once it uploads to 100%, it becomes green. Once it becomes green, you can just click and go back. Once you come back here, you can just extract what you want to extract. Okay, so this is what we want to extract. Okay, the SignalMax. So let's reload. Okay, then select, then you move. Now we are moving to the domain name, which is Guru's file, not a subdomain. We are installing this in a domain name. So once you do this, you come back, you go to your, okay, you click on, you type in your subdomain name or your domain name, then slash install. Okay, you can see it here. Then you click on accept and next step. You can see all the server privileges are all green, so I'm good to go. So this is the next step. This is what the permission that we'll have to check. Okay, you can see the permission says that we'll have to go through. So main bootstrap catch, we have to enable 777 instead of 775. Okay, so you go back, main bootstrap catch. Okay, so then you go back. I think the next one is main storage itself, then the storage app frame and log. Okay, storage itself. Okay, let's go inside the storage also, the app frame logs. Okay, then let's refresh this page. You can see it's now all green. Okay, so you can input anything. So now we have to create our database name. Okay, now what we need to do is to go back. Okay, I'll call my Guru's file. Okay, you input your password. Okay, you input your password and you put it again. Now creating the user, and you go back, then we'll add them together. Okay, you have to add them, add the user and the database together. So you all privileges, you select all privileges, then you come back here then you paste. Since our database is the same thing and our user is the same thing, okay, so we can use this is the password. So you can use this as your database host, or you can use a local host. You can type in local host instead. Okay, so the port, this is the port. Okay, so the user, let me just use this as a user, this as a password, and this for the email. Now let's click on install. Okay, now we've successfully installed our script. You can see this is the front end. Okay, you can see it, you can see the front end. Okay, you can see the plan they have. This script is wonderful. Okay guys, you can sell forex signals in this script. You can sell a lot of forex signals, and people can also trade on this platform. So it's a well designed script. Okay, this way people can trade. Okay, alright, you can see how it looks like from the front page. Okay, alright, so if you want to go to the backend, just write the domain name /admin. So now this is my, let me just, okay, we are the backend. Okay, now we are the backend. This is the dashboard for the admin backend. Now you can manage the plan. As you can see already, there are plans here. Okay, you can see I just put this as basic. You can turn this to basic. Then the type, limited or unlimited, free, or you understand if you want people to have this for free or not. Now you can see the features. You can also add the features. Okay, you can add as many features as you want. And also, if you want people to be able to receive notification from WhatsApp, Telegram, email, SMS, and dashboard, so that in their dashboard of the user dashboard they'll start seeing notification from you. So you can update it. Okay, so the signal. So now this is the market type. Okay, the market type, you can see. Okay, you can just put any market type that you want to put, like let's say BTC. You can just say BTC. That's great. Let's see. Let's come to the PFS. Here you can see BTC / okay / USD. But okay, and let's just say currency pairs. Let's just do it like this. The currency pairs, you can update it. And the time, for the time frame, you can see 1 hour. You can see 30 minutes, just, you understand. Then for the signal, okay, for the signal you can title it like let's just say Forex. You can choose the plan here, then the currency here. time frame, then the market type and the currency pair. We mean we say for the currency pair, and the currency pair is not a single pair. You can put the profit, buy or sell signal, then you can just input anything. Then also you can upload logo here. You can upload anything here. Just something, an image to show. And you can send.
It is now 4 a.m.
So once you update it, so for the currency pair, so you can do just update this. You understand? You can just do it like this. So they manage their flight. So the payment commission for people that pay their commission, then the referral commission, so you can add as much as you want to add. So this level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, you can even make it up to level 20, is your choice. Once you add it, you put how many percent level 1 will get, just differentiate it and you update it. Then online payment, for people that pays online, you will see the details here and their names, all their information. For people that pay offline, you also see it here. Then depositing, online deposit. So online deposit, this is just the same thing. You see everything here. It's also the same thing. So you just manage withdrawal. People that are requesting to withdraw, you see it here. Then you just go in and check how much they are withdrawing and all the informations, and that is all. So pending withdrawals, the accepted ones and the rejected ones, you also see them here. Then you can manage users from here. You can manage users from this place. Then this is where you input your payment gateways. We have a lot of payment gateway on this platform. You can see there's PayPal, there's Stripe, there's Perfect Money, there's Paystack, there's Flutterwave, NowPay, so many payment gateways. Then offline also, you can also add an offline payment gateway. You can use bank, anything you want to use, Bitcoin, anything. You can just click on it and put the name, the type, if it's a crypto or bank, then the currency type, then the commercial rate to the currency you want to be using. The main currency, if you are using Naira, then it will be Naira to the currency, the bank account you are trying to put, or the currency pair you are trying to put here. Then the charges you're going to charge, then the route number, then the branch, then the logo of the bank. That's what you put there. So money settings, this is the main settings. This is the main settings. So you can use Guru's file. You can use Guru's file, you can use Naira instead. So sign up bonus, if you want people to get sign up bonus, this now to be 500 Naira because we've changed it to Naira. Then the withdrawal limit, how much withdrawal limit per day. This how many times you want people to be able to withdraw. Then you can choose the time, whatever. I want to choose Lagos. So you can also choose the alert type, that is the sound of the alert. Change transfer, how much you're charging for transfer, the minimum and maximum, then transfer charges, then trading charges. If somebody want to trade, how much you charge the person, then the minimum trading balance that person somebody must have to start trading, then the per day limit. So now the logo, let's just look for logo here. So you update it. Okay, this is for the email configuration. Okay, for those that don't know how to configure email, okay, you just come to email, you create an email. Okay, once you create an email, okay, you just click on create and you follow the process. Now to connect an email, what you need to do is to log into the email, to the webmail, then you open the webmail, and you can see an information to connect your system here. This is the user. Okay, this is the user. This email sent, the person that is sending the email, then the host should be this, the name, then the username, then the password for the email. Let's just see. Hopefully the password is correct. Then the port, this is not the port we are using, this is the port we are using. Then we are using SSL. So you can see successfully connected, you can see. So the template of the email, there are different templates, a lot, to reset password, the rest, so you can edit anyone you want to edit here. So now to manage the theme, okay, we have different themes here, different kind of themes. Let's go with the first one so that you see how it looks like. You can see this one, you can see how this one looks like. Now, okay, now you can see that the logo is not changing. It's because of the cookie. Okay, let me just scroll and show you how this looks like. Okay, so I see how it looks like. See how it looks like. You can see how it looks like. You can see it. Okay, now let's check, let's see why it's not working. Let's go to incognito window. Let's see if the logo will change. It's still not changing, but it will change. It will definitely change. Okay, so we'll use this one instead. So the pages, this way you can edit the pages. Okay, you can edit the home page, the back, any page that you want to edit. This way you can, all the what's the name, this overview and the rest, all of them, you can see them accordingly. This is the first one, the white choosers. You can see white choosers. You can see the plan is the next one. So you can remove, you can remove and add depending on what you want to do. Okay, so manage front end. This way you can edit the main front. This way you can edit the main front. This is about. You can change anything here. You can change the picture, the footer. Okay, this is the footer part. Okay, you can add anything to the footer, to the contact. You can add anything to the contact. You can, anything you want to do, you can just edit it. Okay, excuse, you can change the phone number, anything you want to do. So we're done with this. The language, you can just come here and I think you can create a language. Just name the language and enter the shortcode for the language. That's all, and it will just automatically activate. Then the manage roles. Then as the admin, you can add roles. Okay, and permission you want them. You want somebody to be a subscriber, front end, language, anything you want the person to manage here, or you want the person to be an admin, or you want the person to manage payment, anything you want. So once you create it, then you can manage all the admin. You can see the admins here. You can see only one admin that we have now. Okay, so these other options here are not that important. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. I'm coming, let me input the logo again. Okay. Alright, so this is the APIs. Okay, this, we need this API to be able to show the charts of this place. Okay, so you just come here, you create account. Once you create account here, you come down to this place, you come to APIs. Just follow the process. Okay guys, just follow the process, it's not hard. And this is my own API, and that's where I want to copy it. I want to put it here. So even the Facebook API, Google API, Telegram, we have the WhatsApp API too, then the Google recap, and also put a Google recap. Okay, so you just come in, you put the domain name, just without the, okay, it's the three that we want. Then you put the name, project name, just make it capital G, then add the domain. So once you're done, just click on submit. So you can see the secret key. You can see the public. Okay, this is secret, that should be the public. So you check it. You can also see Google Analytics. Okay, you can also see Google Analytics. Sorry, you can also see Google Analytics. If you want to put the Google Analytics tracking code here, you can just go, you can just search. Okay, you can just come to Google Analytics and start getting your code. Just come down, you search for gurus. I'm not sure if it's here, not here. Okay, I think it should be here. It's not also here though, but you can just go on and create a new one. Okay, once you don't see it here, you can just create a new one. Okay, so you can just, so all this, just get their APIs and that is all. Okay, I just want to, you can see it's not showing. You can see the chart is not showing. Okay, so there is also KYC options. You can also see KYC option, KYC feed, and the rest. And you can also add an option. Okay, also save like. Sorry. This is the same thing. The same thing, yeah? For this one, you just like so. But for this ID picture, it has to be an upload. Okay, and then you save. And you can also come to the order here. Yeah, you can change this. So use the SEO settings. Okay, then you can also ask users to verify their email. This loader, I don't like it. User can register KYC. Okay, alright. So I'm not done with the backend. It's time for us to go to register as a new user. Okay, let me just put my phone number. Let me just put okay. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, let's just disable it. But it should work. It's like I didn't finish the process, but it will work. It will work. I didn't just finish the process. When I copied the codes I was supposed to proceed. Okay, let me just copy this. Let me sign up. Okay, you can see I'm now at the back end. Just pick anything. So okay, so as the admin, I'll come to users. I want to come to manage user. This the user I have, then the KYC. You can see inside the user. Now inside the user you can add money, and you can also subtract money. Let me just add this to the user. Okay, I'm not adding money to the user. Okay, and also you can also check all this box to show that the user is, understand. Then you can also send an email. You can log in as a user. You can see the payment of the users. Okay, so what we want to do here is the KYC stuff. I want to go to the KYC. Let's go back. Manage users. You can see unverified KYC. I'm supposed to see the KYC here. Let me see. Okay, let's come to, sorry, that is the dashboard. That is the dashboard. I'm supposed to see unverified KYC here. Then I'll just have to check the KYC. But okay, this is the front end, this is the dashboard, and you can see the money that I deposited. Okay, this is the amount, this is the initial bonus for account opening, and this is the money I deposited. You can see your transactions. Okay, then also you can copy your referral link here. You can see a referral link, you just copy it down here. Now you can see all the signals. We don't have a lot of signals, we don't even have signal yet. You can see trades, you can see the chart. Okay, you can see plans depending on which one you want to choose. For instance, you want to choose this one, let's use wallet or balance. Now we're going to use our balance next. You can see we subscribe, and depositing option, I've showed you a lot of depositing option. You can use anyone you want to use. So withdraw options, you can use bank, you can use anything you want to transfer. You can allow user to transfer money to another user within your platform. Okay, I think we didn't really for the signal itself. There's a signal now, a buy signal. Okay, it's for the basic, that was why I was supposed to even see a signal. Okay, now that we've bought, now we've checked all, let's see if we'll see the signal. I'm sorry. Sometimes it happens. Okay, let me just give it to this last one. The planned feed is required. Okay, sometimes it happens, just errors. It's supposed to come up. Why? Because look at it here. Don't mind it, it's up. It happens, so you can just come here, you can view it, see the signal they're supposed to buy. Then you see the information of the signal here, the pair, the buying, the direction you should buy, then stop loss, time frame, open, and you take profits. Okay, so that is just it is. So for the trade, you can also trade. Okay, you can also place a trade. You can place a trade if you want to buy. You can place trade duration, this 1 minute. Now I place a trade, and the next 1 minute my trade should be going up. Okay, just 1 minute BTC, because I'm under BTC. We have Ethereum, we have USDT. So you can see the trade is live. So guys, thank you very much. If you want this script, please check on the link down below and contact me. Alright guys, bye bye.